Hi guys, this is Dibya presenting you the most important and selected current affairs for the upcoming competitive examination. First one, the 5th Eastern Economic Forum Summit was held in Vladivostok, Russia, and Russia's president is Vladimir Putin, capital is at Moscow, and currency is Russian ruble. Okay. Second one, the company which organizes Cleanliness Drive to commemorate 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi is Webcos. Okay. Then third, what is Baltic nations? Baltic nations, a geopolitical term, is used to group the three sovereign states in northern Europe on the eastern coast of Baltic Sea, and they are Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. And why this is in news? Because all these three are classified as high-income economies by the World Bank, and they are maintaining a very high human development index. Now, World Bank. This is very important with respect to the competitive examination. World Bank is an international financial institution that provides loans and grants to the governments of poorer countries for the purpose of pursuing capital projects, and it comprises of two institutions, IBRD and IDA. IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, IDA, that is International Development Association. Its headquarters is at Washington, D.C., more specifically 1880 Street, NW, Washington, D.C. Okay, and this is the logo for the World Bank. Now next, France launches a postal stamp with image of Mahatma Gandhi. This is the postal stamp. Okay, you will see Mahatma Gandhi, this photo here. Okay. So France Prime Minister is Edouard Philippe Trending, and capital is at Paris, and currencies Euro and CFE franc. Next, the first Vande Bharat Express on Delhi and Varanasi road began operations in February 2019. And do remember that Vande Bharat Express is the India's fastest train and can run up to a maximum speed of 160 km per hour. And why this is in news? Because Home Minister Amit Shah flagged off Vande Bharat Express on October 3, 2019, which will reach Vaishno Devi, Katra from Delhi within as early as 8 hours. It's very less compared to the other trains usually take to cover this distance. Okay, and it has total 16 coaches with 14 share car coaches. Another current affair is that Indian Railways has planned to build 40 Vande Bharat trains by 2022. 40 Vande Bharat trains by 2022. Okay. Next, the Station Cleanliness Survey 2019 is prepared by QCI, and QCI stands for Quality Council of India. And you all know that currently Piyush Goyal is the Union Minister for Railways. Rajasthan state government announced a complete ban on tobacco and pan masala products in the state. Okay, this is in news now. Then next, under Swachh Bharat mission, India built 11 crore toilets for 60 crore people. How many toilets? 11 crore toilets. And you know, in the last lecture, PM Modi declared open defecation free on October 2, 2019. This was also in news. Okay, that we covered in the last lecture. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends, and also thumbs up if you think that this will help you. Okay, then next, what is artist? ARTIS is the name of online system which the Directorate General of Trade Remedies launched for the filing of anti-dumping applications by the domestic industries. Do remember it. Okay, ARTIS is the online system that DGTR just launched for filing of anti-dumping applications by the domestic industry. Okay. Next one. This one is also very important. Ministry of Tourism launched audio guide facility app Audio Odigus for 12 sites of India on the second day of nationwide Paryatan Parv 2019. What is the name of the app? Audio Odigus. Okay, who launched it? Ministry of Tourism. Okay, Ministry of Tourism launched Audio Odigus app for 12 sites of India. Okay, next. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, that is METI, launched an automated real-time performance smart board for effective monitoring of the key programs of the government, including Digital India, Aadhaar, digital payment. Okay. So, METI launched automated real-time performance smart board. Do remember it. Then next. Andhra Pradesh tops in the installation of LED street lights in India. So, which state has topped in the installation of LED street lights? Andhra Pradesh. Next. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has accepted the Punjab's Chief Minister, Captain Amrinder's invite to join the first Jatha to Kartarpur Sahib Gurdwara in Pakistan on November 9. Okay, and this is in news and it's very important as per competitive exam point of view. Manmohan Singh will be going to join the first Jatha to Kartarpur Sahib Gurdwara in Pakistan on November 9. Next, economist Surjit Bhala is to be appointed as the representatives of India in the International Monetary Fund, that is IMF, for a tenure of 3 years. Surjit Bhala. Okay. He will be the representative of India in IMF. And as per IMF is concerned, it is also important. Frequently asked where is the headquarter of IMF, and headquarter of IMF is at Washington DC, United States. And also sometimes asked that how many countries, the member countries of IMF. So there are 189 countries. Okay. So these are the important current affairs that I have selected and shortlisted for the forthcoming competitive examinations to revise them properly. Now coming to the today's questions from the last class. You know, Prime Minister Modi released postage stamp and the commemorative silver coin of rupees, fill in the blank, on the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. So, how many rupees silver coin is this? Option A 250 rupees, option B 350 rupees, option C 100 rupees, and option D 150 rupees. Please do comment your answer, and I am giving the answer in the description link below and also at the topmost comment. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson, and we'll meet you in the next lecture, that is tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.